is Raj from Matrix Prime. So let's analyze the dollar index today. Uh, this video is presented by Matrix Prime, and today we are going to analyze the dollar, gold, USDJPY, GBP USD, and BTC. And let's see. First of all, we have to talk about the fundamentals. The fundamentals is like the week ahead Feb decided to China trade data in spotlights. So it means like that Trump and Chinese presidents are going. The recently the USA and China got the trade war in that. So Trump is deciding to close this the deals, and he's decided to continue with that one. And let's see the what we can have right now. So, and you can see here investors are anticipating almost 425 bps rate cuts in this year. So we can see the rate cuts in this year in dollar index, and the interest rate will be the fall down by the 0.25% bps points. And we can see that China export and imports duties. So the right now the China is very growing very high. The blue line will be the China one. China is exporting the minimum most of the high exporting and everything, and we can see here, and this line is for the US export. So that's the, and we can see the China and US is going to be decide to close this war, and let me the continue with the old policies. And let's analyze this. And the one more thing, the China and lots of big HNI investors, high high end investors are going to close their all trades. They are booking the profits, and especially in gold. So that's the reason the why is gold will become to the bearish side. So let's analyze how it will become. So let's see the market sentiments here. Market sentiments. I am using the Fast Bull platform to analyze the fundamental data from the market sentiments, institutional data, policy rates, macros, and data warehouses. So let's see here. XAUUSD, there is a 55%, 55.15% of the buyer side in gold. So we can see the 44% of the sellers. The reason is it's not showing the accurate one, but it's showing the some kind of the mediator levels like that. So we can analyze with this data. So the why the most of the HNI investors or most of the country reserve are closing their trades in gold and booking the profits right now. So we can see the gold will be have the bearish move. So the reason is why it will become, and we can check in the market. So it's when is the dollar index chart, and we can analyze in the daily time frame and the weekly time frame. Let's see. So in weekly time frame, there is a one hour kind of the confirmation we have right now. There's a shooting star candle here, so you can check it. And the gold is the right now is the bearish side, but in weekly time frame we got the good confirmation from here. So let's see in the daily time frame. Daily time frame it's already has been give us the confirmation, and right now the daily candle has been closed. So we can see we got the confirmation for the bullish side, and in 4 hour time frame we got there is a one of the chart pattern, the trend changing pattern, the head and shoulder pattern. I will explain you this thing about inverted head and shoulder. Most of the time this chart pattern will be change the trends and go to the reverse of the reverse the trend. Most of the this chart patterns. So we got the confirmation from this pattern for the technical side. Fundamentals I already explained you, and we can see. So we got the this candle, the day closing line candle. We got the bullish candle, bullish closing, and let's see into our time frame. Into our time frame also, it's a bullish, and this one is the range bound strategy. Once it's will this level will be break 100 and 266 level. Once it will be break, it can be mitigate at this point, this POI area. Let's shift to the forward time frame, and the reason is like you know this one is the imbalance area and fair value gap also you can tell. So that's the reason the market don't have any kind of data from here. So market will come and definitely mitigate out this point, and we have the PO and order block area also. And I have already explained you everything about this chart, about this asset previous week, so you can check. I have already analyzed this one. Some of my viewers know what I'm going to analyze. And one more thing, the DXY has been cleared, so it will go to the bullish side, and I will shift to the gold one. As you can see in gold, I have updated all my profits in my WhatsApp community, so you can check there. So gold have the high like 3,500. We got the head. Some brokers have the 3,505 like that. So as we can see, the gold has giving the give us the confirmation for the sideways. It's will range bound strategy, the high liquidities and low liquidities area. It has been sideways for the 1 week, and after then we got the breakout at this 2,600 2,260 level. So as we can see here, the gold has already dropped down. It's have retest at this area, the demand area. This one I will text you. This one is the demand area. I have already shared this chart in my group, so I will show you the proofs also. Demand area, the price is already mitigated at this point, and it has taken the all of liquidity from here. It's hunted the stop loss. The reason, most of the time the gold will be touch the demand area, it's directly not break. It will come to the upper side, and it will take the all stop losses, all liquidities from here, and it will fall down, which I have already taken the trade from here. I have already take up the trade and book the profit from here, which I have already uploaded in my WhatsApp channel, so you can check there. So gold will be bearish for this week. So we got the confirmation, and as we can check the if it's will becomes break this area 2000 3000 to 11, so it will be easily mitigate at this 2900 3000 level. It is easily will become the come to the 3000 level. So let's check it. As you can see, and this indicator is the fixed volume profile indicator. It will show you the retail and institutional traps and active volume and stop hunting areas. The stop hunting areas is like this one is the high liquidity and low liquidity. The most of the traders will active at this bottom and top point. That's and gold will be completed, and gold will be totally bearish for next week. So stay tuned for the updates, and I will upload you signals in my WhatsApp group. And you can see the USDJPY also have give us the confirmation for the bullish side, which I have already taken the trade, and we got the technical confirmation from here. So you can check. The reason, the China and USA war has stopped right now. That's the reason, and the Japan price is also going to move up. So as we can check the trend, the short-term trend. So we can check here in 4-hour time frame. We got the bullish confirmation from here. As we can check in daily time frame there is a one of the bullish confirmation candle here. It's already broke up this area, and we can check in 4 hour time frame. This one. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, the price will definitely mitigate at 148.301 area. So this is my stop loss area, 143.116. So we got the confirmation for this short term trade, and we can check them in the weekly time frame. In weekly time frame also we have the confirmation in USDJPY in Japanese yen. So as we can check, we got the confirmation for the bullish side here. The trend is already grabbed the all liquidity, sweep the all liquidity from the previous 2 3 months. Liquidity has been already swept, and we got the bullish confirmation from here. And as we can check in 4 hour time frame, the same pattern which in dollar index is occurs, same pattern in this in USD GPU also occurs, the head and shoulder pattern. I will draw here. So we can check here. So the prices already break this liquidity area, and this one is a market shifting the structure. Market is shifting to the bullish side. Is close is reversing the trend. So as we can check, we got the confirmation for the buy side, and stay tuned for the next update. And one more thing, the GBP USD. GBP USD have the good data for the next week. As you can check, BOE monetary policy reports, monetary policy summers, MPC official bank rates votes, and official bank rates. So in May 8 Tuesday, 4:30 p.m. in Indian time. So we can check that we have the four newses. The impact is like the high impact news. The one news will become the market will be fluctuate the more, and this four data will be the most important data. So the GBP is already giving us the sell side trade, so which I have already taken the live trade previous 2 days, 2 3 days. So you can check in my WhatsApp group channel. You can find the trade here there, and we got the confirmation for the in GBP also in sale. So if the dollar will be rise up, the GBP will be goes down. That's it. So we got the trade here. Once it will be break the confirmation from this level, so we will add more sets. And let's talk about the BTC. In BTC, as we can check in daily time frame, in BTC is not there the much more volume in this, so we can discuss later about it. And we talk about the Nasdaq. Nasdaq is right now the bullish, and it's not coming to the bearish side, and it's went to the total 22,250. This is the one of the most highest point of this asset Nasdaq, and that's it. So we will talk about the economical calendar for next week. Next week we have the news like a CHF, Swiss news, the CPI month and month. This news will be not impact much more in the market, and we got the 7:30 p.m. in USA data, ISM service manufacturing PMI data. We have got the accurate levels here, 50.2 to 50.8, and actual data will becomes the similar numbers like that. And we got the CHF news and CAT news also, and New Zealand news, employment change quarter and quarter, and New Zealand unemployment rates. But these two news doesn't impact on the market right now. So that's the thing. And we got the USA federal fund rates news and FOMC statement, FOMC press conference, and these three newses will be high impacted in the forex market. And stay tuned for 11 11:30 p.m. So we got the federal fund rates. The previous is the accurate one. Accurate fund rates is 4.50. If we got the FOMC statement before it, the news will become. If you got the FOMC statement for the cutting the interest rate, so we can analyze before here. If we got the 4.25 like 4.00, so we can analyze the FOMC statement. So the Powell will going to cut the interest rates, and the FOMC press conference is live, so we can predict in this one. And as I already updated you about this four news of the GBP, but the pound news, so you can check it. And we got the USD unemployment man. This news will be the easy to analyze. The previous one, the 232 to 241k, like that. In non-employed NFP news, we got the previous week like 135. That feel the good ones. That's the reason the why the gold why the dollar prices are going up. And let's see. And this whole news is it's not important right now. So it's my WhatsApp channel. Check it. As you can check it. I have booked my 272. This one is a running trades in gold, $272, and I have sold the GBP also in the pound, USD to pound. I have sold this running profit is a $31, and I'm still holding this trade. As you can check here, in gold which I have sold at 3,268, yeah. And I'm continuously updating the each and every chart in my group, so you can check here. When I am going to take the trade, so then I am uploading my analysis also. This one, the Monday or Tuesday, which I have booked the $700 profit. The reason is that I have sold the gold at the 3,302 11, and this one is I have already closed. I have sold 3,302 to 3,223, which I have taken the law, which I have hold this position for more than 20 to $30 in if we can calculate in pips. So I have holding more than the 200 to 300 pips profit, which I have taken in there. The buy trade I have closed. I don't have any confirmation for the buy side, so I book the loss, and I have taken the opposite position for in gold sell side, which I have booked the profit, and I have recovered my two-digit loss also, and totally I have the $700 profit. As you can check, I have already updated my sell signal here, SLTP, and selling point also. As you can check here, the GBP, which I have already active the trade. This one is the previous gold data, which I have updated, and I have already taken the sell. That's it. So stay tuned, guys. So which I will update the each and every day for the market news and technicals and fundamentals of the market, and you can join. I will paste the link in the description, so you can join in my matrix fine community. It's free for everyone, so you can check my analysis, you can check my signals, and you can check the fundamental data, technical data and uses. You can have the inner, you can have the tips also in the market, and we are going to provide the financial services also. So join with us, and we will make sure we can have a good trades. So thank you for watching this video, and please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Don't miss any updates. Thank you.